a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, security alarm, power locks, fog lights, CD player, power convenience group, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.